3D printers become more affordable and therefore more accessible. Having one to bring your ideas and creations to life is more likely. Whether you're a hobbyist or an aspiring inventor, there are 3D printers that are best for your needs. With so many types available now, it can be hard to tell what is worth the money. To get one of the best 3D printers, you'll want one that's quick and accurate. And to get a few extra features, you may look for things like the ability to print in multiple colors or with multiple materials. With so many options to choose from, picking the best 3D printer for you can be difficult. We have listed the best 3D printers of 2024 and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Creality Halot Mage Pro. Perfect for miniatures. The Creality Halot Mage Pro 3D printer impresses due to its superb build quality, high-quality prints, and seamless integration into your home or workshop network. The LCD screen on the machine offers a user-friendly interface with direct control that makes it incredibly easy to use. At the same time, the auto resin fill and withdrawal system simplifies the setup and cleanup process. However, while using the machine is ultra easy, it's important to note that some post-printing tasks, such as machine cleaning and the long finishing process, still require time and effort. Those drawbacks, however, are universal. For all resin printers, the Halot Mage Pro offers exceptional performance and print quality, making it stand out as one of the best in class. The Creality Halot Mage Pro 3D printer is surprisingly stylish and looks great sat in the workshop. The footprint is respectable, and access through the Mage Arch flip lid design means that while the printer is large, it doesn't consume the entire work surface like some others. At the core of the Halot Mage Pro's features lies the epic-making hyperspeed printing, boasting an incredible 170mm printing speed, quoted by Creality as 3 to 5 times faster than typical resin printers, which commonly come in at about 60mm. Then there's the Dynax motion system, which enables smooth and precise movement as the build platform is lowered and raised from the resin. This helps ensure fine layering, dimensional accuracy, and a smooth surface finish. The performance of the Creality Halot Mage Pro 3D printer is impressive, and from the outset, I can say that this is one of the best resin printers in its class and challenges printers that are far more expensive. Through the test, the Halot Mage Pro consistently delivered outstanding results, showcasing its capabilities in various aspects. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Affordable, reliable, user-friendly 3D printing. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer is an entry-level printer at an affordable price that benefits from Creality's extensive industry experience and proven track record. This model doesn't aim to innovate or do something different. Instead, it demonstrates the refinement and maturity of a well-established design. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE has refined what a 3D printer for beginners should be, packing all the essentials needed to get straight into 3D printing. The entry-level machine boasts a straightforward feature set, including an easy-to-use interface, a direct drive extruder, and a screen that guides you through filament loading and initial setup. Even if you're completely new to 3D printing, you can transition from unboxing to printing in under 30 minutes. Having tested out many of the best 3D printers, we can say the Ender 3 V3 SE itself is nice and simple. And this is complemented by Creality's intuitive print software, which easily handles files downloaded from the internet, or, if you have the skill, those that you have designed yourself. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer adopts the popular bed slinger design, where the print platform dynamically moves back and forth during the printing process. Many budget-friendly 3D printers favor this approach, which is also employed in premium models by brands like Prusa and Lulzbot. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer stands out in the entry-level market, not just for its affordability, but also for its array of features that enhance the 3D printing experience. One of the key attributes of this printer is its impressive speed, which is capable of reaching up to 250mm. This performance is powered by a high-power processor, ensuring that speed does not compromise the quality of the prints. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C. Precision 3D printing excellence, Anker produces a vast array of technology gadgets and has earned its reputation as a trusted brand. Their 3D printers have been making a mark on the industry for several reasons, foremost among which is the quality of both the machine and the prints it produces. While the website appears polished and the machine impresses upon arrival, its open frame construction makes the design seem a bit dated. However, closer inspection reveals that Anker has taken a unique approach. No screen, no tangible controls. Everything is managed wirelessly. The AnkerMake software is the heart of the machine, designed for those who just want to get on with printing. If you're looking to delve under the hood, you may want to look elsewhere. While the AnkerMake may resemble other open-frame 3D printers, it's in a league of its own. The print quality is exceptional, and its speed and accuracy set a new industry benchmark. If it were enclosed, it would be near perfect. This ease of use sets the tone for how the printer operates. It's fast and efficient. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering with mechanical settings, this printer might not be your cup of tea. However, no amount of tweaking will likely yield better prints than what it already produces. The software is largely locked down, with an emphasis on basic settings. While advanced options are available, the out-of-the-box settings proved more than satisfactory throughout our test. One notable feature is its supposed one-button operation. In reality, most functionalities are managed through Slicer software on a computer or the accompanying app, so you'll always need a device on hand. The button's primary function is as an emergency stop, although it can be programmed for other tasks via the app. Simplicity is the cornerstone of this single extrusion printer. Number 2. Original Prusa MK4. Effortlessly reliable 3D printing, the original Prusa MK4 is an outstanding 3D printer from a company whose heart remains strongly aligned with the open source community. Expectations for the MK4 have been high across the 3D printing world, and innovations such as automatic first layer leveling and speed enhancements live up to those expectations. The machine is also easy to set up and maintain, arriving almost ready to go and requiring little adjustment before the first run, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and professionals. However, the price tag may put beginners off. The MK4's support for a wide range of materials and the built-in advanced safety features make it ideal for hobbyists, manufacturing, education, architecture, and anyone needing a reliable and high-quality 3D printer. The original Prusa MK4 is an excellent 3D printer that produces top-quality prints and sets a benchmark for all other 3D printers to follow. The original Prusa MK4 is the successor to the award-winning MK3 and has been highly anticipated in the 3D printing community. This machine is designed to deliver high-speed 3D printing with ease while maintaining reliability and safety features. One of the most exciting features of the MK4 is the load cell sensor, which provides automatic bed leveling, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. You quite literally take it out of the box, plug it in, load the filament, and go off. Other impressive features include support for high-speed printing with Input Shaper and Pressure Advanced technologies. To be released soon in a firmware update, a color LCD screen with a customizable UI, and quick access to important functions. The original Prusa MK4 3D printer sets a new benchmark for performance, with exceptional print quality that surpasses many other machines on the market. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1P. A 3D printer everyone can enjoy. The best 3D printer for just about everyone. The Bambu Lab P1P is quick to set up, easy to use, and we found the speed at which the printer works is remarkable. For those looking for the ultimate in customization, Bambu Labs provides templates for printing your custom side panels. The P1P allows up to 16 colors through its automatic material system, AMS. Control the printer with an onboard screen or connect with Bambu slicing software and mobile app. With a customizable and advanced 3D printing experience. The P1P borrows from its larger siblings with 2000 MMS MS2 Core XY acceleration, vibration compensation, and pressure advanced technology. The printer also has an automatic bed leveling sensor and a direct drive extruder for better filament control. In our experience, the 3D printer proved to be slightly restrictive when handling the more advanced materials that need a bit of a heated chamber and hard to customize, and therefore not very adaptable. But overall, this printer has wholly shocked us with its price for features and just how good of a printer this model is. We genuinely think this will disrupt the 3D printing market thanks to its price for abilities. If you're familiar with the Robox Dual, then you'll know it's a machine with high-quality production values. It's a true product with none of the usual 3D printed parts that show homage to the open-source 3D print community. The latest range of printers has taken an enormous leap forward in ease of use and specifications, but many of these innovative features were first seen on the Robox Dual. The Robox Pro mirrors many of these innovations and adds and improves on them. Again, there's auto bed leveling, tapless PEI, an enclosed print platform, interchangeable heads, programmable filament reels, automatic material recognition, fast heating, vast material compatibility, choice of Wi-Fi or Ethernet networking, and a touchscreen display.